my God, you need to clean this mess up, Anne. Hi, lovely people. How are you? I'm doing fine. I'll be better once I clean this mess up. This is horrible. Anyway, if you read from my title, I am unboxing the November 2018 No Make No Life. This is the last subscription box that I am getting. I did cancel this because this will be the third month, and I always like to try subscriptions for 3 months to see what it is, about. And I tried it. I know what it's about, and I like doing different. I like canceling some and getting new ones to try different ones out for you guys, so that you guys know about different subscriptions you may never heard before, or also you might be interested in but not sure if you want to get it. So that's why I get a lot of them. I'll get some, cancel, get a little bit more, but I do end up keeping the ones that I really, really like. So without further ado, let's cut this puppy open and see what's in here. If you're wondering what's on my face, at the end of the video, I will tell you what's on my face and what I think about the products. So this is a $29 a month subscription, and this does come from Japan. Tokyo, Japan it comes from, and you don't pay for shipping. All right, so, okay, so that's what it looks like when you open her up. So it does come with a little pamphlet, and it tells you what everything is. Does it give you prices? No, it doesn't give you prices. It just tells you what things are. So I'm just going to pull out the first thing that I see, and this is a highlight colors right there, and it says, yeah, CTIV highlighter set. It says this highlighter set comes in 2 versions. It comes number 1, pretty, consists of okay, so number 1, I guess this one is the number 1. It consists of pearl and a honey colored highlighter. Number 2, which is this one right there. It says it consists of pearl and sakura pink colored highlighter. The 2 colors can be mixed to suit all styles and skin tones perfectly. The wet type powder melts into your skin like a rich cream for glow that lasts all day. So let's open her up and see. I've never heard of this brand, and I do enjoy getting subscriptions that are from different countries, so you could try out their type of makeup as well. All right, so it looks like this when you open it. Let's see how it comes out. This you just, okay, you open this like this. Okay, you can pop these out. All right, so this is the number 1 shade, and I can't read, it's in Japanese. All right, so this one, okay, you open it up like that. That's what it looks like. Very pretty. Oh, it's nice and like silky. This is like a cream to powder, but it looks kind of matte. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't know. Looks matte. Maybe they're talking about highlight under your eyes. I don't know. All right, let's see what the other one looks like. Maybe this one's more shimmery. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, okay. So this one is like the whiter color one. All right. This feels silky too. Let's see. Now this has a little bit more sheen to it, but it's extremely subtle. But then again, I do know like a lot of like Korean makeup and skincare they tend to wear makeup lighter and kind of more natural. So, all right. The next thing we got is this brush. I don't know, I think this says highlight brush. Let's see, let's take that off. This had a little sticker on here. What in the world? So this is a highlight brush. All right, let's open her up. Let's see how the heck do you open this thing? Oh my God, how in the world? Okay. I'm gonna have to rip this thing open. This is why my room looks a mess. Oh my God. All right. Okay. So let's take her out That's what it looks like. So it's like a small handle. But this is actually a nice highlighter brush. Let's see if it blends. I do actually like this for highlighter because it's soft. It's a little dense, but it's soft and it's perfect. And the handle, the way it's thick and it gets skinny, it's like perfect for highlighting. So I'm excited to try that. Like, this doesn't come with prices. Let's see if it says anything about it. I mean, a highlight brush is a highlight brush. Okay, to apply your CT highlighter perfectly, we've also included this fancy highlighter brush by the Japanese brand Felicia. This slim taper design makes it easy to highlight your cheekbones with precision. Made with PBT fibers, this brush is soft and also perfectly safe to use for people with animal allergies. Okay. The next thing I'm seeing is a bath bomb. So, what does this say? Macaroon. So it's just a bath bomb. So, that's exciting. All right, let's see. Two more things. So, we have a hand cream, I believe. I just got one in the other box. This is by Witch's Porch hand cream. This is in peach. And it's so funny because it's like every box I'm getting a hand cream, but I love hand cream, so I'm not knocking it. It says, keep your hands moisturized during the colder months with this Witch's Pouch Peach Hand Cream. The hand cream contains of ingredients betaine and allantoin, which hydrate your skin without being sticky. You will keep reaching for this lovely peach scented hand cream. So let's see, it has a little safety seal on it, but let's open her up because I don't like them really scented for a hand cream, unless it's Bath and Body Works. Oh, that does smell like peach. Let's put a little bit more lotion on because I just did the Joa box and I put lotion on for that. Oh, this is like really peachy. Like, it smells good, but if it was any more, it would be too strong for people. If you have if you get headaches from scents, this might be a little bit too strong for you. But I don't, and I like it. It's making me hungry for peaches, though. And last but not least, this is a hand mask. Okay, good. I think in our lower box, we got a foot mask. So I am definitely excited for this hand mask. It says, if your work-weary hands really need a boost, then this Bee Creation hand mask will come to your rescue. This intensively hydrating ingredients nourish your hands and even smooth out rough spots and cuticles. Put on the gloves and do what you would usually do without having to worry about the product spilling out. This is just what you need during the colder months. So that's good. And then here it just tells you exactly what you can do. You know, you put them on for 20 minutes. All right, so this is what we got in this box for $29. So we got a hand mask. We got a highlighter brush. We have these two highlights, but to be honest, I most likely won't use them. And we got a bath bomb. And then we got this hand soap. I don't know how I feel about this box because I definitely don't like, I kind of wish I didn't swatch these. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this box, but like I said, this is my last box. I did cancel. Let me know if you got this box. I got this box because there was one of you guys a few months ago wanted me to try it out. So if you guys have any recommendations of boxes that you want me to try, make sure you leave them down in the comments down below. I always like to try different things, and there might be a subscription I haven't heard of. So let me know, but please like this video. And before I forget, guys, I almost did, let me tell you what's on my face. So for my eyeshadow, I have the Good Sports eyeshadow palette from ColourPop, and that's what it looks like. And I do like this. This is the second time I have used this. It is quite powdery. It does have a lot of kick up, but I do like it. The highlighter I have is from ColourPop. I'm not sure the color because you have to actually take it out, and I have no idea what happened there. This is more like a pinky peaches color. I think it might be Hello Kitty or something like that, if I can remember. The blush I have from Note Cosmetics, and when we got this, I think in our BoxyCharm or Lola box, I thought it was going to be way too dark, But if you go in with a light hand, it's actually really, really beautiful. And then on my lips, we got this in an Ipsy bag. This is the Ofra and the X Ipsy collab in Unzipped. So I have that on my lips. And then on top of it is the Becca and Chrissy Teigen. This is the brownish color one. Lip gloss on top. So that's what I'm wearing. I like everything. I really like this lip gloss, to be honest with you. But yeah, let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe because I have that amazing giveaways going on from December 1st to the 12th. And yeah, that's all I have to say. I'm going to get to cleaning this mess. I was going to say junk, but I don't know. Anyway, guys, don't forget to like this video. I am really babbly today. And I always leave videos right here in case you want to watch more of me. All right, guys. Love you.